Yeah.
You can make it?
Yeah, that's fine.
It's fine. Well, I drove it, and it's not fine. I'm not a mechanic or anything.
That's got a full tank of gas, bro.
Right. Okay. Motoring? Motoring.
What y'all doing?
Huh? Sit down.
What y'all doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are y'all doing? I'm shutting the door. It's on live Facebook.
Okay, it's pretty good, ain't it? It's a pretty good Hollywood effects, right? Guess what? No pain pills, no nothing. Wow, and I'm up running around, feeling good. Oh my God. Checking something out right now. You know, like everybody else, I got a phone in my face walking the parking lot, but you always got to be aware, right? Oh, crap. You never know. Things are up. I'm always on alert. I can't help it. Talked to a girl last night. I said, hell, what am I going to do on the date? First date, talk about damn general awareness. No way back. There's a thing called your reptilian part of your brain that focuses on survival. So whenever you get injured, you can always tap into it and do the right thing or make the right choices. So you ought to have that part there. So we always got to remember that, right? We got me walking fine. Heck, I probably jump. Look at this, I jump, skip just a little bit. Knees still sore, but hell, I'm up and moving around. It's all madness. I ain't like these other bunch of pansy-ass little bitches on the fucking couch you work. So I feel better. I feel a lot better. A whole lot better. It's time to move forward in life. That's pretty good, ain't it? Take a spill like what I did a day ago and still feeling good. All right. Still feel like I'm 25. I still got a hole in my arm, if that counts for anything. But I'll be all right. Because I'm a survivor. If anyone in this group or chat or anything or on this page ever names Predator Hunter Nation again, they will be banned. Because I will never name them again. Never. If you want to like them, go to their page and like them there. Don't name them on here. If you want to laugh around, you want to talk about fucking Bigfoot somewhere, go to their page. You want to find a Saskatchewan or whatever the fuck it's called, go to their page.